Okay, welcome friends and congratulations to all of you on completion of 6th week. In this week we looked at planning. We looked at forward and backward reasoning. We looked at progression and regression. We also have looked at relevant progression and regression. Relevant progression and regression means that whether we are really moving towards the goal state if we have started from start state, or whether we are really moving towards start state if we have started from a goal state. To assess that, we have also seen that there is a simple formula that you can try. We also looked at PDDL representation. So we can just say that if this formula is true, your progression is really relevant or your regression is really relevant, otherwise not. So that is what we have done in the first part of this particular week. The later part of that week, we also looked at goal state planning and plan state planning. Goal state planning is a very simple method which just puts the goal and then the other components one after the other, and then solve each component one after the other. And you look at the goal state, you can test whether the system has reached to that goal state. If it is not, whatever is not left is just placed on it. So that is kind of a recursive method of solving this problem. We've already seen that sometimes goal state planning doesn't solve the problem. Sometimes it depends on the order of the components that you pick up. Sometimes it cannot solve the problem. So to handle all that, what we need is we have introduced a non-linear planning method, one of the planning method called plan space planning, and in which we have seen that the very problem, Sussman's anomaly, which we talked about, that you can't solve that thing optimally using goal state planning, which we can handle here in plan space planning. So that is the essence of introduction of non-linear planning and the power of non-linear planning. Obviously, non-linear planning is not without a cost. It is more complex and requires more bookkeeping. But anyway, that's a very good method for inferring for planning. With that note, I congratulate you all on 6th module, completion of 6th module. Thank you all.